Nowadays, any firm or organization receives high number of invoices per day, and for any company, it takes almost 25 days to process a single invoice manually, from receipt to payment. Not only that, keying this data into various systems can be a high-touch, time-consuming, and error-prone activity. The existing system also presents us with several challenges like manual data entry, lack of structured approval process, slow processing, missing invoices, poor visibility and security. Current market potential and growth. The global e-invoicing market reached a value of $8.74 billion in 2021. Looking forward, IMARC Group expects the market to reach $29.68 billion by 2027, exhibiting at a CAGR of 21.5% during 2022 to 2027. Introducing automated invoice processing application, which reduces the processing time up to 1/5. We are offering a faster data-driven approach to process invoice with minimal human interaction, which reduces the possibility of errors. For a better understanding, let us take a look at the workflow. Our vendors send us the invoice digitally via the email, which is then taken care by Appian RPA. Bot will read all the unread emails, including attached invoices. Once read, bot sends an acknowledgement email to the designated vendor and then moves the read email to a different folder. As the workflow proceeds, read data is transferred into the database tables and will be used by Appian IDP to extract data from the document. Let us see how we can automate an invoice processing use case with Appian RPA and IDP. Vendor sends the invoice to the company's designated email, and the RPA bot will process the invoice data. Appian IDP is integrated with RPA bot, invoice data is extracted by Appian IDP, and reconcile tasks is created. We will now go to the homepage. Add purchase order. This action is used to create a new purchase order. Create invoice. This action is used when a user wants to create an invoice manually. Pay. In future, the end user would be able to do the payments of invoices. Statistics shows the data for new, processed, in review, and declined invoices for the current month. Recent activities shows the recent activities in the former feed. Tasks page. Here we can search for tasks with its associated invoice number. There would be 3 types of tasks: reconcile, review, and approve. Let us go through each type of task, one by one. Reconcile. Appian learns how to map the data in your documents to the proper fields in your data type. Over time, this will make auto-extraction more accurate and reconciliation easier and less frequent. Review. In the reviewer task, the end user can review the actual invoice and the Appian IDP data side by side and verifies it. In case the populated data is not correct, then user would be seeing validation errors. Approver. In this task, approver can again compare the original invoice and processed data and approve the invoice for payments. Reports tab. The Reports tab shows us the aggregated data for invoices based on vendors, category, geographical regions, invoice trends, and status. Admin. RPA bot frequency. This action is used to manage the execution frequency of RPA bot. User management. This action is used to add or remove users to Appian groups.